Hello, welcome to the Crypto in 5 YouTube channel. We are back with a brand new update on the Bitcoin and Ethereum price action. We keep it short and powerful like we usually do, so let's jump straight into the charts because it's crypto time. So as you can see, we are on the daily for Bitcoin and interesting things are actually, about to happen in my point of view at least. So what we can see is that, of course, you know that we have been moving very fast from the 30K level to the 48K level. We have done this in approximately 2 weeks and a half, 3 weeks. It's crazy the way it has been running up. But it looks right now as we are running a little bit out of steam. Now, why do I say so? Because if you look at the RSI, you can see that here we made a high, and then on the chart we made a higher high, but on the RSI we are not making higher highs anymore. We are going a little bit down. This is a perfect example of losing a little bit of steam in this bull market and going for maybe a little retracement. Now, if we look here, I have been drawing this yellow line. This has been acting as resistance over here, over here, over here, over here until we flipped it. Then it has been acted as support. So this is a major key level of support. If we gonna come back from where we are right now into here, this could be a support level. Now, if we turn on the daily 200 MA, where we have been talking about on the channel for already over a week, because we have been testing it here, here as support, resistance, now again as support. So it's gonna be interesting to see if we can keep holding it as support or if we're gonna fall a little bit further down. Now, if we check the EMAs, we see that we are quite overextended. We see that this is the 20 EMA, we are quite above it, and we come down to test it usually. We come even down to test the 50 EMA, which is actually right now just under the 40K level. So we are quite overextended. It shows on the charts that, the chances are quite likely that we are going back to test these ones. Now, if we go into the 4 hourly to check more on the short term, then we're gonna remove this one so we can see better. This rising wedge, it's broken now, but we are not yet confirming this breakout until we test it as resistance. So it's gonna be very interesting the coming hours to see, are we gonna come back in the rising wedge? Are we gonna get rejected? And then if we get rejected, you can see that, the next level is basically this 43.8, which is the Fibonacci 0.236, which has been acting as support already a couple of times. So this is a level I really want you to keep in mind, this red line, and then the yellow support line just comes into it. So we can come down here, make a small wick, and then move up again. These two levels, keep them in mind. These will act as big support. So I'm not gonna get into a trade yet. I'm just gonna wait to see if this plays out, and if we come here and over here, I might shoot along back up. So that was basically it for Bitcoin. If we go into Ethereum, we are seeing more or less the same. So we see that we are quite overextended. If we take the EMAs, we are acting quite above them. So it's quite normal that we're gonna come down to retest them. They act as a sort of support. We also can see that we are actually falling out of the rising wedge right now. We have been testing it again as resistance, and now we are on our way down. Now for Ethereum, actually what could happen is we come down to, this is the Fibonacci 0.236 for Ethereum. If we come down here, as you can see, we have a bottom here. If we come down and if we also make a double bottom here, then we can probably move up again. So this is my first point of attention, together with this very, very important line of support, the yellow line that I've been drawing. You can see we have multiple touches here as resistance. We have been confirming it as support. So this is the next level at 2,900 to keep in mind. Now, that was it for today. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Take care. Ciao.